Hello, good morning students. So today we are back again with the same topic, that is degrees of comparison, and now today we will focus on how to transform a positive sentence into a comparative and from comparative to superlative and vice versa. So now are you ready? Last time I have told to memorize this particular table. I hope you must have memorized it and just fit in your mind so that you will never forget this topic in your entire life. So now we are going to start with the example, that is degrees of comparison. Now today all the 3 points I will discuss with you. I am focusing first on when two things are compared. Here the example I have given about when two people are compared, two boys are compared with each other. Amit is compared with Smith. Now Amit and Smith, how many boys are there? Two boys are there. So the third degree is not possible here. Superlative degree is not possible when two people, two things or any two things are compared. The third degree is not possible. That is superlative degree is not possible. So now we focus on this table. That is when two things are compared, we will focus only on this table. Now as I have given the question here, that is Amit is as tall as Smith. So Amit and Smith, they are equal in terms of height. So when I transform the sentence into comparative form, just see the table here. Where you will focus? You will focus positive is already given to you. So now you will focus on comparative. See the table here. What you will use? Not taller than. Always remember, whenever you are transforming comparative form, the word then will always be there, and the term not will be there, and er will be applied to the adjective. Here you can see the example very clearly. Amit is as tall as Smith. See here, tall. All will become taller. I interchange. First step is to interchange the position of Amit and Sumit. So Smith will come here first. So I have, from the last, I have brought in the first position, and Amit, who is in the first position, will go to the last position. I have swapped them. Okay, the position of Smith and Amit, and I have applied this formula, not taller than. So Smith is not. Tall will become taller in comparative form, then will always be there, and last, whatever Amit was first has come to the last. Likewise, I have transformed into comparative degree. The positive degree is transformed into comparative form. Now when you check the answer, you want to check the answer, what do you see your question, read your question. Amit and Smith are as tall as, both are equal in height. In terms of height, they are equal in terms of height. Nobody is taller, both are equal. So what is my answer? Smith is not taller than Amit. So that means both are having equal height. And what I have changed, tall has become to taller. Before that I have added not, then will be there because it is comparative form, and I have swapped both I have changed the position of Sumit and Amit. Amit, which was first, becomes last, and Smith, which was last, comes to the first position. Means I have swapped them. So likewise, you can transform when two things are compared. You only have to check this table. Which one? The very first one, which I have given here. Just see. So this is how you can transform when two things are compared with each other. Now the second one, that is group 1. Now in group 1 also, now there is a differentiation between this, so don't mix this table with this one. All these three are totally different from each other. Now the question which I have given in group 1, that is example, no other country is as rich as America. Now the term rich, adjective rich, itself says that it is a positive because it starts with no other. See here, no other. So it will always start with no other. Which one? Positive degree will always start with no other. And some books it is given, in grammar books it is given so also as well as also. So it's up to you. So what do you want to do? What do? You write as oblique so. Here the second one will remain as it is, as. In the center it will be which. Now this sentence positive I want to convert into comparative also, and I can change it into superlative also. How? Again you will refer to which group now? Group 1. See the table here. Already positive is given to you. If I want to transform into comparative and superlative, I only need to check this. So I will go to comparative form, I will check this one, and I will start my sentence with the subject. Here what we are talking about? We are talking about the country which is very rich. So which is the country name given here? America. So we start the sentence with the subject, America. So America is, here we have taken taller because only example I have given. Now here what is the adjective here? Rich. So rich will become richer. See here, er is added here. And then after that what is there? Then any other. Then any other country. So likewise we can transform it from positive to comparative. And then when I am transforming from comparative to superlative, again I will go to the same group. I will see the last table, superlative. Focus on this now because you are dealing with superlative degree. What is there? The tallest. But here we are talking about rich. So richer will become richest. Again start with the sentence with the subject, that is America. America is the richest country. That's all. So with this we can transform positive, comparative as well as superlative. Always remember one thing, that when you are transforming comparative and superlative will always start with the subject. That is one major point to remember. Comparative form and superlative form will always start with the subject in the given sentence. Here in the given sentence, America is the subject. So always start with the subject. And positive degree you know that it will always start with no other. So there is no confusion at all. Only you have to see that you always change your adjective in every degree. That is, in positive it was rich, it will become here richer and richest. Also see, the group 1 is a singular group, whereas group 2 is plural one. So now we will deal with the second group, which is the plural group, and likewise we will change it. Now again in this also you will focus only on this particular table. Which one? Group 2. Now group 2 table, positive degree will always start with very few. So see here, the example I have given, very few writers. Here see, singular and plural group. Here country was there, here I am adding s here. So it becomes the plural group, so more than one. So very few writers are, because it is a plural one, so we use are, not is. As clever as John Milton. This was my example for the positive degree. Now here who is the subject? John Milton is the subject. So I will start my comparative form with John Milton. As I said earlier also, that comparative and superlative will always start with the subject. Here the subject is John Milton. Here in this example, the subject was America. But here in this second example, in group 2, my subject is John Milton. So I start with John Milton, then focus again here on this table. Taller I have given here, but here what was the adjective here? Clever, so it will become cleverer. Then again what is there? Then, most or many, whichever you use, writers. So remember this, S plays a very important role, because here as I said it was a singular group, so you did not put here countries. It is country, because it is only one country is richest, not all. Here the second group, R you are using, so it is clever as Milton, John Milton. Same way you will come as writers. And the last one again start with the subject, that is John Milton, is, see the last column, superlative column, is one of the cleverest. Here the tallest we have used, that is only for example. Here our adjective is clever, so cleverest because we are dealing with superlative degree. Cleverest writers. Okay, here remember this S. If you don't write this S, writers, then your answer is wrong. So with why I say that? Because this group is different from this group. So don't mix this group with this group. So likewise, you can turn any sentence using this particular table, keeping in mind, so that it becomes very easy. So for that, what you have to do, you have to cram this table by heart in your mind. Just put it in your mind and focus it when you are dealing with this particular topic. This becomes very, very easy for you to solve any of the problems asked in the board exams also or in your school exams also. So I hope you have understood this entire method. I will also give some exercise so that you can solve it in one of the regular classes. Thank you and have a nice day.